Hi, I'm Eric with First Maryland Disability Trust. A while back, I shared a video about Disabled Adult Child Benefit, or DAC. It's how some adults with disabilities can receive SSDI, Social Security Disability Insurance, through their parents' record. Since then, I've been hearing from families who have run into the same issue. Their adult child got DAC and then lost Medicaid. That shouldn't be happening. Let's talk about why and what to do if it happens to you. Quick note, this video is general information, not legal or financial advice. Every situation is different, so talk with a qualified professional before making any changes. Here's what's going on. When someone starts getting the DAC benefit, their SSI stops and their income usually goes up. That's because DAC is based on the parent's work record and not the person's own. Let me give you a quick recap about what Disabled Adult Child Benefit is. It's a Social Security disability insurance payment through a parent's record. To qualify, the child must have been disabled before the age of 22, and the parent must be eligible to receive some Social Security benefit of their own. It will start when a parent retires, becomes disabled, or dies, and it is going to be paid on the highest wage earner's record. So if parent one files for retirement early and they're the lower wage earner, when the second parent retires or dies, that higher benefit will kick in. It usually replaces supplemental security income, SSI, and it typically pays more because it's based off the parent's work record. 24 months after you start receiving SSDI, you will automatically be enrolled in Medicare, and you should not lose Medicaid. This is where we're going to be diving deeper into it. Again, when someone starts getting the DAC benefit, their SSI stops and their income usually increases. That's because DAC is based on the parent's work record, not the person's own record. It's a good thing, but when the income goes up, the state's Medicaid system often flags it as too high, and the case gets closed. The federal rules say that's wrong. There's a law, and it's in the Social Security's rule book called the POMS, Program Operations Manual System. It says people who switch from SSI to DAC are supposed to keep their Medicaid. If you could look in POMS SI 01715 period 015 special groups of former SSI recipients, and you scroll down to B number 4, you'll find the call out for disabled adult child beneficiaries. So what can you do? Well, if you were on SSI, you got DAC, and you lost Medicaid, you need to talk to your case manager. You should say, or if you don't have a case manager, you should talk to your Department of Social Services or whatever it's called in your state. Be polite. They are human beings. They are doing the best that they can. So you want to approach them with understanding and empathy and say, I believe I qualify for continued Medicaid under the Disabled Adult Child Protection Rule. Show them your Social Security award letter. That's proof of when your DAC started. It'll say on your benefit letter that you are qualified as a disabled adult child, or words similar to that. Ask them to look it up. I would print the POMS and bring it with you. If they still say no, don't give up. You can appeal or contact legal aid or the disability rights in your state. They know these rules, and they can help you get your coverage reinstated. So remember, if you were on SSI before DAC, you should not lose Medicaid. The rules are on your side, and now you know what to say. I'm Eric Jorgensen with First Maryland Disability Trust, helping you navigate disability planning and benefits. If this helped, like and subscribe for more short, plain language breakdowns. Questions, Drop them in the comments or email us at info@firstmdtrust.org. Thanks for watching.